Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design cinematic romantic novel cover in Photoshop. In this tutorial you will learn how to create emotionally captivating and cinematic book cover perfect for romance and drama novels. We will begin with blank canvas. It stands book cover size and set soft warm gradient background. Next, we will add the main couple and character image, remove its background and enhance lighting using curves and brightness contrast. We will apply cinematic color grading with golden and pink tones to evoke warmth and emotion. Add soft light flares and bouquet overlays for dreamy romantic glow. Use elegant fonts like Playfair Display R for the title and author name. We will apply subtle shadows and layer masks. Then we will enhance the depth using gradient